What's up everybody, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel. And we are back for another Trendy Butler unboxing. So we got the March package right here, so let's go ahead and crack right into it and see what we have. Okay, what do we have here? So it looks like we have two shirts. Ooh, one of which is some kind of Henley. All right, let's get this open here. All right, so first we have this purple short sleeve shirt by 11 Paris. Now this looks super cool. I really like the contrasting pocket and the lining on the sleeves. Or the cuffs rather, not the lining, the cuffs. I like that a lot. It also does feel quite soft. It's kind of that, I don't know, do you call that like a heather texture or something? But anyway, so I like the color, that dark purple with that kind of black and white polka dot contrast. Like that a lot. And it is a medium, so that should fit rather well. All right, and our second shirt is also from 11 Paris, this kind of olive green color, and this one, it's the material and the look of it, it's essentially a polo shirt, but I like the collar. It's a little bit different. It looks kind of like almost like a shawl collar style. Nice metal buttons, which I like, and I don't own much green. I don't particularly know why. I don't know how good I look in green, but I like the kind of darker, more olivey tones. So I think that this will look pretty good, especially if I pair it with like a, pair of dark wash denim or something. And both of these are from the LA collection, if you were curious about that. So I've gotten a number of things from Trendy Butler now that are the 11 Paris brand, and I do like them all. I've got a couple pairs of pants by them. The quality does seem quite nice, and I've been wearing them to work and things, and they have been holding up nicely, and yeah, so I definitely think that they're good quality clothes. And I guess now that we're starting to get into spring, we've got some wishful thinking for warmer weather with these short sleeve shirts. Really, really like this one. I like the design of this polo one as well. I'm not sure how the color is gonna look on me, as I said, but I think with this darker tone, I think it'll look pretty good. But yeah, so let's try them on and see how they fit. Alright guys, so I gotta say I am happy with both shirts, especially that purple and black one. I think that that's just like a really, really cool, very stylish, casual shirt. Looking forward to wearing that as soon as the weather gets a little bit warmer. And as far as the green one, I think I'm ready to give green another chance. I think that it'll look okay on me, especially, like I said, if I pair it with some kind of dark blue pants of some kind, or especially if I'm out on the golf course or something. I think it'll just look nice, and it's different from all the other regular old polo shirts out there. So all in all, another box that I am quite happy with from Trendy Butler. Now, if you guys haven't yet subscribed, please do click that button. I have so much content coming up. I'm really behind, so I'm really working hard to try and crank some videos out for you guys. So please stay tuned for all that. And as always, thanks so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.
This time, we're gonna get funky.